This is the Simmons 1166 cast iron pump top with the set screw. Now this piece is going to connect to the pump cylinder. So of course it'll come with the full top itself as well as the connecting bolt. This bolt's of course going to secure the top to the pump as well as make sure that it's aligned in the correct location. We'll go ahead and get a couple measurements of this piece, starting with an outer diameter. Just going to measure straight across from side to side here. Starting it this way. We get right to the center. It's going to measure right at about 4 7/8 inches. And then flipping it this way, go ahead and measure from this side, that way those big old clips aren't in the way. It's going to measure right at 5 inches. You can also measure the height from the bottom of those clips to the top. Measure right at about 3 3/4 inches. And then that hex bolt will also get an outer diameter of the head of the bolt, just going from point to point. That's going to appear to measure just above, or right at 3/4 of an inch. And we'll just get a height, or thickness, I guess you should say. That's going to be right at just shy of an inch. And once again, this is the Simmons 1166 pump top and set screw.